The bench is full today. That's the hood. It's funny, no matter how many of these you get, everyone is just as exciting as the last, because you're like, what am I gonna do with this one? This one's gonna be super nice. Red, white, I don't know what to call it yet. We're just gonna call it the Scottsdale for now. But I don't know, I'm getting like Guns N' Roses vibes almost. Do the black up front, do like the frog eye look. Maybe I'll print a grill. I don't know. Probably use the chrome one. Like and subscribe, guys. Can't wait to get at all this with you fellas.